Relax and receive a Maui, Hawaii infused remote Reiki healing session. Feel the soft sand beneath you and the lapping, gentle waves cleansing your mind, body, and soul as you open to receive the luminescent, pearlescent rays of Reiki, your very own soul's light and source's light. Sense the thousands of whales beneath the surface as their sonar sound permeates our healing session. As you receive the radiant, soft strands of Reiki light, nourishing, healing, and enveloping you in such warmth and radiance. Allow yourself to soak in this field for as long as you like.